Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 10th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru with 4 stars. But you are interested in this one? Yes, it's the binary puzzle number 9416. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Als je brein tegenkomt, dan zit hij, hè? Maar hij weet het wel. Als je brein tegenkomt, hè? Hoi, hoi. Let me see. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's here, one there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's here, one there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's here, one there one. Double ones here, no there no. Double O's here, one there one. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's here, one there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And between the ones comes a no. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.